How to convert and export a FBX model by converting it into a GLB file in Unreal Engine itself. You want to convert FBX file by converting it to GLB. So I think we have covered, right? You just need a GLB exporter.
Yeah.
Converting into GLB. So suppose you have, so I'm using Unreal 5.1, it already has the GLB. But if you want, you can go to the plugins, uh, GLTF exporter. This you have to enable in your project. Okay. After it is enabled, you can just click on any 3D static meshes. Right. Let me check if I have
So by default, when you get any type of FBX model or starting in any FBX model into Unreal Engine, it doesn't stay as an FBX. It gets converted to a U asset. So your
Yeah,
question
yeah.
asks about FBX, but it gets converted to U asset, so
Yeah,
it
yeah.
doesn't stay as an FBX.
So suppose I have applied this material to it and I want to export it as a GLB or GLTF, right? So as Alistair said, any FBX model you import in Unreal Engine, it gets converted into a U asset for the security reasons and for the Unreal Engine to understand that this is their kind of 3D model. Okay. Now what I'll do is just go to asset actions and then export. Okay. Now over here you will find we have GLB and GLTF because we have enabled that plugin GLTF exporter.
So if you want to know the difference between the two, basically GLB will kind of merge everything into one single asset. So all your materials, textures, everything will be merged into one, whereas GLTF gives both of them to you. So you will get the mesh separately and the texture separately. So you can choose between which one you want for your particular
Yeah.
purpose.
So I'll just stick to the default settings, okay, and export it. It might take few seconds depending upon the material and the mesh because it will bake and export basically. Okay,
It might take a bit of
yeah, it's done. We don't have anything. So
if you want.
yeah, yeah. You can get the 3D viewer. It has also been covered in the previous session. So yeah. So I'll just see maybe. Let's just install this to review the model. Alright, let us I think it has some issues while downloading it. Okay, but yeah, if you open this, right, it will have the 3D model with the materials I've showcased in the previous lecture. So yeah, it works. For some reason, I'm not able to download this thing.